Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. On today's video I want to share one of my favorite fish stew recipes. Please relax and keep on watching. For this recipe I'll be making use of two tilapia fishes. You can use any type of fish that you prefer. The first thing I'm going to do is to cut this fish, and to do that I'll be using this Japanese knife by a brand called Canon. This knife is razor sharp. It is so versatile. It makes clean cut, which makes it perfect for cutting vegetables, fruits and meat. I love that the blade of this knife runs through the whole handle, and I love the wooden handle. This makes it so sturdy and so easy to grasp. This knife is made with high quality stainless steel material which is resistant to rust. If you're looking for a high quality knife, make sure you check out this brand. The link and some discount code will be in my description box and in my comment section. After cutting the fish, go ahead and wash it, put it in a strainer, let it drain excess water. Next, you are going to season the fishes, and to do that I added some rosemary, some curry powder, some garlic salt, thyme, no seasoning, and I mixed everything together. Now, if you have enough time, you can cover the fish to marinate in the fridge for some few hours. But if you don't, it is okay to fry it right away. And to fry this fish, I'll be using this oil which I used to fry some chicken earlier on this day. I'm going to throw in a bulb of onion just to flavor the oil. Then I'm going to add in the fishes one by one and fry until golden brown. When it is golden brown, just transfer to a plate lined with a paper towel to absorb all the excess oil and set the fish aside. Now, to make the stew, I'm going to blend some garlic, ginger, onion, habanero pepper and some red bell peppers together. After blending, just set it aside. In this bowl, I have my homemade fresh tomato paste. In case you want to know how I made it, be sure to check out the video that will be in the end screen of this video. Next, I have my homemade green seasoning. This is made with basil. It is so good, guys. I will make sure to film that video for you guys. Next, we are going to cut up some onions to use in making our stew. If you want to make a very delicious stew, please make sure you use at least 3 onions. Now, into a pot, add in 2 cups of any oil of your choice. Here I used some canola oil. When it heats up, add in your chopped onion, throw in some bay leaves. I like to season my oil, and to do that I add some rosemary leaves, I add some curry powder. Guys, just try this. It makes a whole lot of difference. It helps to flavor the oil and it makes the stew smell good. Fry the onions till they turn translucent. Next, add in the fresh homemade tomato paste. Stir it together and fry for about 2 to 3 minutes. When the tomato paste is well incorporated, add in the blended pepper, onions, ginger and garlic mixture and fry for about 5 to 10 minutes or until the oil separates from the tomatoes. Next, I'm going to add in my green seasonings. This is made with basil, as I said earlier. Basil is the same as curry leaves in Nigeria. During summer, when I start growing my basil, I'll make sure to film the recipe for anyone who is interested. Lastly, we are going to add in our secret ingredient, which is nutmeg powder. Guys, if you've not tried nutmeg in your stew or jollof rice, you are missing out a lot. Please try it out. I also added some more no seasoning and salt to taste. Then I mixed everything together. Finally, I'm going to introduce the already fried fishes into this pot of stew. While doing this, we need to be very careful because we don't want the fishes to disintegrate inside this pot. Just add in the fish and let it simmer on low heat. We just want the fishes to absorb the flavors and the deliciousness from the stew. Don't stir a lot, just let it sit there and let them marry each other. Let them talk, let them have a conversation inside that pot. This is how I want the stew to be. I'm not going to add any liquid to it because this is the consistency I want. Okay, this is not anyhow stew, guys. This is special stew for special people and for special occasion. Okay, I'm not going to add in any water or any stock to it, but feel free to do yours however you want it. Now I'm going to serve this stew with some white rice. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel and also follow my page, and I'll see you guys in my next video.